In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Google search history using the easy updated method. If you want to clear out everything you've searched for on Google, the quickest way to do it is through Google's My Activity page. This works on pretty much any device, whether you're using a computer, an Android phone, an iPhone, or a tablet, as long as you have a web browser. To get started, open your browser and go to Google My Activity. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. This is important because your search history is tied to the specific account you use. If you have more than one Google account, double check that you're in the one whose search history you actually want to erase. After you're signed in, you'll be taken to a page that shows your Google activity. Near the top of the page, look for the delete button above your searches. Tap or click that to open the deletion options. Google gives you different time ranges, but since the goal here is to remove everything, choose all time. Next, Google may ask you what type of activity you want to delete. Since you only want to clear your Google search history, check the box for search. This helps make sure you're removing the right kind of activity and not deleting other Google data you may want to keep. Once that's selected, continue to the confirmation screen. Take a moment to review what's about to be deleted. When you're ready, click or tap delete to confirm. Google will then begin removing your search history from that account. That's really all there is to it. The process is simple, but it's a good idea to go slowly and read each screen carefully so you know exactly what's being deleted. If you're doing this on a phone, the layout may look slightly different from a desktop browser, but the steps are the same. Open Google My Activity, sign in, choose delete, select all time, check search, and confirm the deletion. If your goal is privacy or just cleaning up old activity, this is the fastest official way to remove your entire Google search history. Just remember that once it's deleted, you may not be able to recover it, so make sure you're certain before confirming. And that's how to delete all Google search history using the easy updated method.